Hello there, Zena James here. And when we left off before the weekend, we were keeping an eye on an area of interest that had a high chance of development with the potential to bring in some moisture conditions today. Well, this is our reminder that weather is an extremely dynamic and ever-changing science because of that area of interest is no longer on the radar, especially after it had to battle more unfavorable conditions, including this mass of drier air. Now, the wave associated with that area is still there and still churning out in the Atlantic, but we will dive into that a bit later down. There is also another wave far out in the eastern Atlantic, just off the African coastline. For now, it is only showing scattered convection, but remember, it is about a week away, and within that time, it could weaken before moving across the Lesser Antilles, which could bring increased moisture by next Sunday or Monday. So for now, Gabrielle is not in sight to form anytime soon, but rest assured, you'll hear it first right here on TT Live Online if we see any further developments with any of these waves. Now, conditions today were mostly hot and sunny, with most of the showers developing offshore west of Trinidad, while the southern tip also experienced some thunderstorm activity. Now, for tonight, expect a mostly clear night with just a few isolated showers and a very mild concentration of Saharan dust. Nighttime lows will dip to 24 degrees in Trinidad and a cooler 25 over in Tobago. Now, heading into Tuesday, between our sunrise and sunset times, we could see a bit of influence from that tropical wave to the east of our islands. That wave is still present in the central Atlantic, churning with scattered moderate convection. Now, this is expected to bring a few cloudy periods and occasional showers that could interrupt otherwise sunny conditions, along with a medium chance of thunderstorm activity closer to midday. Now, these showers are more likely to form closer to midday, and just after that, we could see some highs up to 31 or even 32 degrees here in Trinidad. Now, for Tobago, you too will see similar conditions, mostly sunny skies interrupted by an increase in precipitation from late morning into the afternoon. And here the chances of showers remain on the lower side, but not just showers, those thunderstorms in particular remain on the lower side with highs of around 31 degrees. Now, as for our seas, conditions remain slight to moderate with waves between 1 and 1.6 meters in open waters and staying below 1 meter in sheltered areas. Spring tide will also remain in effect all the way until Wednesday, so please exercise caution with any nearshore activities. Now, that's a wrap on your Meteorology Monday forecast. I am Zena James. Have a safe and enjoyable evening ahead.